Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Kia Forte headlight bulb. Replacing a headlight is a straightforward task that can significantly improve your nighttime driving safety. Before we begin, always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down. Safety first. You'll also want to have your new bulb and any necessary tools ready to go. Now, let's get started by opening the hood of your Kia Forte. You'll typically find the primary release lever inside the cabin, often near the driver's footwell. Once the hood is slightly ajar, locate the secondary latch at the front, usually above the Kia emblem, and push it to the left while lifting the hood. Secure it with the prop rod. Next, find the back of the headlight assembly and twist the round protective cap counterclockwise to remove it. With the cap off, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Now, gently grasp the old bulb and twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and align its 3 small tabs with the slots in the headlight assembly. Push it in and twist it clockwise to lock it securely into place. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, take the protective cap and align it over the headlight opening. Push it on and twist it clockwise until it's securely tightened. This usually takes about 1/4 turn. Finally, lower and close your hood. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm that your brand new headlight is working perfectly. This entire process typically takes less than 10 minutes per side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.